Hi, I'm Ryan Callahan, and it's my privilege to introduce tonight's community hero. It's said, you never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. For Nicole Marchman, her great strength came from within. After suffering years of abuse as a child, Nicole dedicated her life to protecting children from facing similar pain and trauma. So she became a social worker and has since become a renowned state, national, and international advocate for improved foster care services. Her personal vow is to be the voice for the innocent without. She also founded the None Lost movement, which provides counseling to youth and local families to help end the cycle of abuse. Thanks to her fearless passion, Nicole has helped over 600 endangered youth find peace. It takes a brave person to pave the way to healing, and that's why you, Nicole, are a hero. Before the game, it was our privilege to present a $50,000 lightning grant to her designated charity, Wheels of Success. Please welcome tonight's community hero, Nicole Marchman.